Hello everyone, welcome to the Econobox garage. This week we're going to be doing something more cosmetic than anything on the car, and that is installing a Grille badge. Now I don't know if you can see it, but I do have a sticker in the window for that, but I'm going to take that off and put this one on. It was quite common back in the day to have a Grille badge, such as one from the Automobile Association or the Royal Automobile Club from the UK, and quite a lot would have club affiliation. So I decided to go with that and install one from the Vintage Sports Car Club of Calgary, of which I'm a member. So today's video is how I'm going to put this on. Well, here I have all the bits and pieces that I need. That's the badge itself, which is a nice chrome one with lots of nice enameling on it. And I've made a little strap for the back, and it's got the two holes in it that line up with the badge itself. I had some stainless steel screws on hand, and I did pick up a couple of Nylox nuts to put on the back. And to maybe eliminate some potential vibration, I've just got a little strip of rubber that I had lying around that I've cut to fit between here. I'll just glue that, so that rubber will go between the backer and the grille itself. So now that I have all the bits and pieces I need, I'm going to get it put on the car. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over on the left-hand side of the car, right about here. And because I've got the flip forward, I think what I'm going to do is tape this into place here with the screws in position, and then flip the car up, or flip the bonnet up, and get that installed. Okay, I've got the screws in place, and I've got some tape, and I've already decided where I'm going to put it. And was it there or this one? I'm going to put it in that space there. Now with these, I will have a lot of wiggle room with that because each of those screws is in one of these little squares. I'm just going to put another piece of tape over top just for insurance sake. And now we'll flip the top of the bonnet up. And one of the reasons I chose that side of the grille is, as you can see, I can see the full back of the plaque right from here through the vent hole there. There'll still be lots of air coming up through to the heater, so I'm not concerned about that. So I'll reach in there and get that backing plate on, and then the two nuts on, and then we can get things tightened up. Okay, I just used a bit of Gorilla Glue to secure the rubber onto the backing plate here. So once I can get that on, then I can put the nuts on, and then I'll figure out how I'm going to get everything tightened up. So I should be able to see there that I've got both the nuts on there. And then the next step, I've got my deep 5/16 socket, and I'll just have to get on the other side. And I think I will need an extra pair of hands to do this. And there we have that in place, and it looks level. I like the location. I'll snug those screws up, and we'll call that job done. My name is Ian. This is the Econobox garage. We'll see you next time.